Do you want this Twixtor effect for your edits? Enable frame blending and motion blur and pre-compose your video. Next, go to the Effects and Presets tab and search for Twixtor. After that, drag it onto your new composition. If you don't have Twixtor, you can find it in the description. Next, adjust your input frame rate to your video. So go to the project and copy down the FPS of your video. After that, copy my settings. Next, create a keyframe for the speed and keep it at 100. Go one frame ahead and change it to 140. Then go to the middle and make it 50. And finally, go to the end and make it 110. After that, select all the keyframes and press F9 to ease them. And finally, copy my graphs, and you're done. If you want my custom Twixtor settings, you can check out my pay-up in the description. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.